Welcome to the YouTube channel PCMB Tutorials. I hope you all are fine. Today we are going to learn class 9th chemistry chapter types of chemical reactions and energetics part 8. In this part we are going to start to learn with the topic of Arrhenius theory of electrolytic dissociation or ionic theory. Arrhenius theory of electrolytic dissociation or ionic theory. So this theory was put forward by Arrhenius in 1887. The main postulates of this theory are: an electrolyte is a substance which dissolves in water and breaks up into charged particles called cations and anions. The extent to which an electrolyte dissociates into ions is known as degree of dissociation. Ions carry electrolytic charge and the movement of ions is responsible for the flow of current. Conductivity of the solution depends on the concentration of these ions. The ions reunite and form the neutral molecules, and this process of formation of molecules from ions is called association. There exists an equilibrium between molecules and the ions of the electrolyte. An electrolyte, the total positive charge is equal to the total negative charge. Our next topic is mechanism of electrolysis. First, in molten or aqueous state, the ions in an electrolyte dissociation into cations and anions are and these are in continuous motion. Second, electrodes are introduced to the electrolyte and the circuit is closed, as a result of which the cations are attracted towards the cathode and the anions are attracted towards the anode. Once the cations and anions reach the respective electrodes, the following reactions take place, like reaction at cathode, reaction at cathode. Cations reach the cathode and gain the electrons and convert into neutral atoms. This process of gaining electrons is called reduction. Cations plus electron gives neutral atoms. Fourth is reaction at anodes. Anions reach the anode and lose the electrons and convert into neutral atoms. This process of losing electrons is called oxidation. Anions, neutral atoms plus electrons. Note that the reaction that takes place at cathode is called reduction half reaction. Similarly, the reaction that takes place at anode is called oxidation half reaction. Therefore, electrolysis involves oxidation and reduction reactions. Next topic is dissociation of electrolytes. The dissociation of electrolytes depends on its nature. It is of two types. First, electrolytic dissociation, and second is ionization. Electrolytic dissociation means the electrolytic dissociations, it is a process which takes place in ionic compounds. It simply involves the separation of the ions which are already present in the compound. PbR2 PbBr2 gives reversible reaction Pb2 plus 2Br minus. Ionization. Ionization is a process which takes place in covalent compounds. It involves the splitting of the molecules of the compound into ions. HCl gives H plus Cl minus. Examples of the electrolysis of some electrolytes. First is electrolysis of molten lead bromide. Second is electrolysis of molten NaCl. Now our next topic is Faraday's laws of electrolysis. We will learn Faraday's first law of electrolysis and solve question based on it. And then we will learn Faraday's second law of electrolysis. We'll solve some questions based on it. Till that, I hope you have understood till this. The topics we'll learn in part 9 and in part 10, the both. I hope you've understood till this. Thank you for watching. Like, this is the foundation of class 9th. We have covered the foundation of class 8th and 7th too. Thank you for watching.